So let's talk about the B section now. So for the B section, we're going to move finger 3 up to the C. So the A section ended right here on finger number 2 on C. So move the whole hand up, find the C with your middle finger. And you're just going to stay in this position for the whole B section. Except at the end. Just pivot over, play the G, but other than that, you don't have to worry about moving the hand at all. Alrighty? So here we go. Starting on finger number 3, we are just going to play those middle, that group of 3 there in the middle. Up, down, down, up, and finish on that A. Okay? There's no finger 5. We don't need the pinky at all for the first part of this. He sees you when you're sleeping. Make sure you get that finger pattern, that you play that very slowly until you get the sequence in exactly that order. It's a little bit like the 2, 4, 3, 1 when you played Furelise, right? So we want to make sure 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1 to get that finger pattern correct, that sequence. We are going to do it one more time. So that's a bonus. You just don't repeat the A the second time just because of the words. He knows when you're awake. So once you have figured out that finger sequence, it's great because you can use it twice in a row. Now you're going to start the same sequence, but now starting instead of finger 3, we are going to start on finger 4. So we're going to walk up, and there's one slight change there. The C becomes sharp. I know the screen is showing D flat, but if you know anything about flats and sharps, every black note has 2 names. So D flat, same thing as C sharp. So we're gonna, I'll show you that one more time. Go back up. There's your B, and we actually have to play that 3 times. Okay, so there it is a little bit different than when we did it here. Right, we played the A twice at the end. Then we repeat the sentence starting on 3. And we just hold the A for 2 because of the way the words go in the song. Now, for this same sentence now starting on 4, just remember to put 3 on C sharp. And we're going to play the B this time because, of course, everything's shifted up one. So we're not playing A, we're playing B. And we're going to play that B 3 times. Okay? Now, here is, we're going to do a walk down. It's a walk down of 5, but because finger 4 is on the D, we're just going to do that pivot there at the end. It's a little bit easier. But before we do that walk down of 5 notes, we need a few introductory notes. They start right here on B. B, C, walk down to R, G. And that's the end of the B section. Well, unless you want to call the F, G, that's kind of a linking chord, I guess, between the B section and where we come back into that A. Here's our ending. Up you come to the D here, and then you're going to go down, play that C, E in the right hand, and once the right hand's done, the left hand staying right here in that C position where it was. Remember we played, so actually no, you do have to move down to the C, but which you did as well in the first part. So you're moving down to the C, but you're not going to play 4 beats in a row there because we want to finish the song. Instead, we're just going to do a walk down, a very skipped walk down from G to C. We'll start it off here with the G, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's that quick little skip, and then you jump, or sorry, there's a quick jump, and then you walk down, or maybe I should say you skip down. And then just where the right hand was on that C, E, and the left hand on the C, G, they play together very quickly, staccato notes. So that's how the song ends there. I can go over that there one more time later, but now you know what the right hand does for the B section.